Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. The rain just stopped and I have spotted a unicorn. Do you want to check it out? This is a four-seater with the full cab installed. Let's do it. Alright, so you've seen a lot of our videos showing the front door. This is the first time I've actually seen the rear door in person. Want to do a walk around and see what you guys think. You guys were really excited when the front doors came. We've done videos on that. You guys know that the Yamaha glass windshield with the wiper is phenomenal. Great field of view. Windshield wiper and washer fluid kit. The front windows, they do not roll down, but they do open up and flip open. You do have the rear or the front speaker pods there, little storage spot, grab handle to pull the door shut. You can prop this open just to get you some airflow, kind of like an old wing window on a pickup truck. Very nice. And again, you can totally detach it, flip it open and latch it right here. On the back door, let's take a look at it. So the back door piece, it comes with this trim piece. So if you get just the front doors, this trim piece is not there. It does come with that back door piece and all of this trim piece down the side. Both the front and the back doors are lockable. Nice bulb all the way around. Grab handle there. You do have a latch up top to keep the door from swinging all the way open. This door window also props open, and you can also unlatch it and open it up all the way. This orange mechanism is how you're going to unlock it. And then as you open it up, you'll work this piece out. The glass then will open up all the way. And then from the inside, you can rotate this. I guess I'm doing it from the outside, but it'll be easier to do it from the inside. It's got a big knob there. You can rotate that to lock that window into place. Same on that front window. Same type of knob. Pardon my one hand action there, but locking it in place. Very nice. The latches do have a little keeper to hold that in place when you've got the window open. There's your view from the side. Both doors open. Great entry on both the front and the back. Nice tight fit. Sills up nice. It poured out here as you saw earlier. And it's nice and dry inside. And then of course, while we're doing the cab, we might as well show you the back window. Everybody's seen this by now. Undo the latches. Opens up on those shocks. Very nice. It is also lockable. So you can fully lock this cab. Great job from Yamaha. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.